Welcome back to the MCP 101 series. This is video 4, and it's a quick one with a real payoff. Here's the problem. Every week, people are invited to your community and they just don't accept. They're warm, they're interested, they're one click from being in, and they quietly slip away while you're busy doing, well, everything else. So today, we're handing this follow-up to Claude. You said it once, and it chases those people down for you every week. That's the whole video. We're doing this inside Claude Cowork. If you've been following the series, you already have Circle connected to Claude. Cowork is the app where Claude can actually go do the work for you using the tools you've connected, like your Circle account. Check out the earlier videos for more info. And here's the part that makes this so good. You can hand Cowork a task once and set it to run on a schedule. You set it up a single time and it shows up every Monday and does the job. No reminder, no you. One quick flag before the prompt. This resends your standard Circle invitation, whatever email is saved in your settings right now. So make sure that that invite is good, warm, sounds like you, has a clear next step. If it's still the bare default, fix that first. 2 minutes tops. Here's the prompt. The bracket is where your community name goes. Every Monday at 9 a.m., look at enter your community name in Circle and find everyone who is invited in the last 7 days but hasn't accepted yet. Still inactive, no accepted date. Resend each of them their invitation. Skip anything that's clearly a test account or a duplicate. Then give me a quick summary of who you re-invited and how many. That's the end of the prompt. Set it to run every Monday. And here's the part people forget, so don't skip it. Run it once by hand right now when you set it up. Hit run on the schedule this the first time so it kicks off and you can watch it work. That way you can accept any permissions that you need to, and you'll be set and ready to go on Monday. Then you're done and the schedule takes it from here. A couple of things it's quietly handling. It skips the obvious test accounts and duplicates, so you're not re-inviting yourself. And it's a 7-day window checked once a week. So each person gets one nudge and then they age out. Nobody's getting spammed, one follow-up, and done. Now, this is the simplest version on purpose. There's a whole other level to this. Approving people yourself before anything sends, sending a warmer custom email instead of the standard invite, even reacting people who went cold months ago. That's more than a 101 video needs. So if you want the extended version, it's waiting for you inside Co-Creator Society. Come join us. I'll walk you through all of it. That's it for video 4. Subscribe so you catch the rest of the series, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.